pancake and waffle mix recipes. A few weeks back, my father visited from out of state. One morning, I cooked up a pancake feast, and my father, the man who taught me to make pancakes, said, "These are delicious. What pancake mix did you use?" When I told him I didn't use a mix, that I made the batter from scratch, he was astounded, as if that took a whole lot of talent and work. Folks, it doesn't. Making pancakes and waffles from scratch is nearly as fast and easy as making them from a baking mix, and it's healthier and cheaper, too. But it takes too long. This is the myth sold to us by baking mix companies, that somehow it's a big pain to make your own mixes from scratch. But honestly, it takes me only about a minute to put all the batter ingredients in the bowl. To make things go swiftly, I keep all my baking ingredients in one cupboard. Some people like to whip up all the dry ingredients for several batches and store them in an airtight container. This is a great option if you eat pancakes or waffles regularly. I'm too busy to make homemade pancakes and waffles. Rather than buy expensive, unhealthy ready-made pancakes and waffles, any day when you have a little time in the kitchen, whip up a batch or two of homemade pancakes or waffles. Allow them to cool, then freeze them by placing in individual freezer bags or by placing wax paper between pancakes, waffles and placing them in a large freezer bag. To reheat pancakes, I recommend the microwave. To reheat waffles, a toaster works best. DIY pancake mix. I like to add whole wheat flour to pancakes. It makes them more healthy and filling, while adding flavor. If you wish, however, you can substitute all-purpose flour for whole wheat flour. 3/4 cup whole wheat flour, 3/4 cup all-purpose white flour, 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 cups milk or buttermilk, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 large egg, 1 large egg white. Cooking spray or butter makes about a dozen pancakes. DIY waffle mix. Again, I like to add whole wheat flour, but you can substitute all-purpose flour. 4 tablespoons butter, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 1/2 cups milk, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Spray on olive oil.